Let me guess. You click on this video because you want to make 2025 your best year. But you are not sure where to start. Should you start with a new diet, maybe journaling, or perhaps creating a vision board? You are feeling a bit confused, right? Don't worry, you have clicked on the right video. In today's video, I will be sharing 20 habits you can start from today onwards to make 2025 your year. But these habits are not just for 2025, they are for lifetime. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mimi. Here we will share all the aspects of how to become the best version of yourself as a Muslimah. So if you are not subscribed already, you still have time. Go subscribe right now. But before we entering into 2025, first we have to make a vision board. I know, it sounds so cliche, but trust me, it's work. Take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve in 2025. Write down in your notebook or maybe in your phone notepad app. Then go to the Pinterest and find the pictures. Now you can either make a digital vision board, which you can put on your laptop, mobile, or any device to just look at it every day and remember your goals, or physical board, which you can put on your room to see it every day. It's amazing how much clarity and focus you will gain from this. Quran recitation. I am sure we all have been guilty of neglecting our Quran recitation at some points because of our busy schedule, but no matter how much busy we are, we have to make time to recite Quran regularly. Set a time of Quran recite in your daily life, for example in the morning after Fajr prayer or maybe in the night after Isha. It gives you a sense of relaxation and pure your heart. So let's make 2025 the year we commit to reciting the Quran regularly, even if just 10 minutes a day. Learn to say no. Learn to say no. As a Muslimah, we are often taught to be kind, but it's okay to say no sometimes. Their opinion is just an opinion. If you find it odd, then say no. It's not a big deal. For example, if your friends wanna go somewhere and you don't wanna, but your mind will be like, oh, how to tell them, they hate me, they feel bad, or something like that. Believe me, they don't. They don't even care about you coming or not, so learn to say no. Prioritize your own needs and set healthy boundaries with others. And even someone will cross those boundaries, then eliminate them from your life, and you will see that your life is so much better than before. Fill your own cup first. We often put other needs before our own, but it's so important to fill your own cup first. Make time for self-care, seek support from your loved ones, and don't be afraid to take breaks when you need them. Waking up 10 minutes before Fajr. Let's talk about starting our day on the right foot. Waking up 10 minutes before Fajr can be a game changer in your day-to-day life. Use this time to stretch, make duas, and get ready for the day ahead. Journaling. I don't know about you guys, but for me, journaling literally changed my life. Just writing all the thought you have in your mind in a piece of paper, making you feel so relaxing and feel free. Writing down your goals on a journal can help us to stay motivated and accountable. Take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve in the next year and write down your goals in a journal. And for that, you don't need to have an expensive luxury journal. You can make any kind of your notebook, one of your journal, write everything you want to write just like me. Here I make one of my old notebook, my journal. In this I write all the things I want to write, so there is no excuse. Grab a notebook and start doing journaling. Drinking more water. Stay hydrating is so important. Drinking more water can boost your energy and improve your focus. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water a day and make it a habit to drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. Watching Islamic lectures. I know some of you might be thinking, but I don't have time, I am not interested. But trust me, there are so many amazing Islamic lectures out there that can benefit you in so many ways. From learning and understanding the basic of Islam, there is something for everyone. Prioritizing your Salah. As a Muslimah, our Salah is the foundation of our faith. Make it a priority to perform your Salah on time. Try to focus on your prayer rather than rushing through it. Remember, our Salah is the direct connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so let's make the most of it. Reading for at least 15 minutes each day. Reading is such a great way to expand your knowledge, escape reality. Make it a habit to read for at least 15 minutes each day, whether it's a book, article, or even a blog post. A daily walk. Getting outside and taking a daily walk can be so beneficial for our physical and mental health. Aim to take 10 to 15 minutes walk each day, whether it's around your neighborhood, local park, or even around your house. Practicing gratitude. Practicing gratitude can help us to stay positive, focused, and thankful for the blessing in our life. Make it a habit to write down 3 things you are grateful for each day to help you to focus positive and grateful things. Reflecting on your day. Reflecting on your day can help us learn, grow, and improve. Take some time each evening to reflect on what you accomplished, what you could improve on, and what you are grateful for. Trust me, it's a great way to unwind and preparing for the next day. Practicing time management. We are encouraged to prioritize our time and focus on what truly is important. Practice time management by setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, and avoiding distraction and taking regular breaks. Practice mindfulness. We are always on the go and it's easy to catch up in the hustle and bustle of life. But mindfulness can help you to stay present, focused, and calm. Try incorporating mindfulness exercise in your daily routine like deep breathing or meditation. Cultivate a growth mindset. A growth mindset can really change your life. It is strive for excellence and continuously improve ourselves. Adopt a growth mindset by embracing challenges, persisting in the face of obstacles, and seeking feedback from others. Practicing forgiveness. Practicing forgiveness by letting go of the negative emotion, practice empathy and understanding towards others, and seeking forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and from those who have wronged. Break and practice self-compassion. We are often push ourselves to be better, and it's okay to take breaks and rest when you need it to. Practice self-compassion by treating yourself with kindness, understanding, and patience. Reflecting on your progress. Take some time to reflect on your action and intention. Take some time each day to reflect on your progress, celebrate your success, and adjust your goals as needed. And that's it. These are habits which help you to achieve your goals, strengthen your faith, and live a more balanced life. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Take one step at a time. Don't be too hard on yourself. You got this.